Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of question number 8, exercise 13.3. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed? So according to the question, width of the canal is given, depth of the canal is given, and the speed of the water is given as 10 km per hour. So let's see how we solve the question. So the width of the canal is is 6 meter and the depth of canal is 1.5 meter. Now length of the canal length cannot be measured because water is flowing in that. So length of in that cases we will measure the water column per hour. Length of water column, we will consider the water flowing in that column per hour will be the length of the water column, that is 10 km per hour water is flowing. So the water flowing in 1 hour is 10 km. So the water column must have the length 10 km. So length of the water column in 1 hour. But according to the question, it is given that how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes. You can check here in the question, how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes. They are saying about the 30 minutes. Now this is 10 km in 1 hour. So firstly I will convert it into the 30 minutes. Therefore length of water column in 30 minutes. Or you can say that or 1 by 2 hour. It will be 10 into 1 by 2, that is 5 km. If 10 km the water is moving in 1 hour in 10 km, then the distance traveled by the water in 30 minutes means half hour, it will be 5 km. Now the volume of water flown, how much volume of water flown in 30 minutes, it will be same as the volume of the canal. You can say that volume of this cuboid form, that is the length of the water column, that is 5 km is given, and this is meters. So firstly change it into the meters. 5000 meter, 5000 meter into 6 meter into 1.5 meter. So by doing the calculation, I am getting the value as 45,000 meter cube will be the water of the volume of the water flown in 30 minutes. So now according to the question, 8 centimeter of standing water is required. Since 8 centimeter is given, the question is given in meters, centimeter is given, so I will change it into the meters, that is 8 by 100 meters. So now 8 centimeter or 8 by 100 meters standing water is required. Standing water is desired. So therefore the area irrigated in 30 minutes. So area irrigated in 30 minutes is the volume of water flown in 30 minutes divided by the height. How much height is required there? 8 by 100 centimeter height is required there. So it will be volume over height. Volume is given as 45,000 and height is given at, you can say 0.08. It will be 45,000 into 100 by 8. It will be 562500 meter square. Now that much water is required, standing water is required. Now I can change it into the hectares also, because the suitable unit will be hectares, and it will be 10,000 meters square equals to 1 hectare. So it will be 56.25 hectare standing water is required to irrigate that field in 30 minutes. So that was my question number 8. That is somehow different question because we have not done that type of question in my previous classes. Now in the case of flowing water, we will always consider the water column, because it is difficult to measure the length of that cuboid, because you know that the canal is not in the form of we are not having the length of the canal. So we will consider the water column there, and we will calculate the distance traveled by the water in that column in 1 hour. So that is the solution of my question number 8. Now in the next video I will solve the question number 9. Thank you very much for watching my video.